Hi, this is Matt from ViewSonic, and right now we're just going to take a look at our myViewBoard online software, which is our fully browser-based digital whiteboard. So what we have here is a presenter display that has some information about our product, and what we can do is we can basically share this to all of our different devices over the internet. So this is fully browser-based, fully wireless. You can use this anywhere in the world as long as you've got a web browser. So as I annotate on here, you'll see that this updates on all the different displays. And what we can do, which is quite unique to our product, is actually separate users into different groups. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to toggle into our virtual huddle mode. And what this does is allows me to split into different groups. So it allows me to send different worksheets to different groups of people. And as you can see, each device has actually displayed a different piece of content. And then what I can do at the top here is actually enable or disable the editing capabilities. So in an example such as a university or corporate training environment, we have what we know as active learning or scale-up classroom. And what we can do is bring our devices, work in our different groups, and then the presenter has the ability to present and actually view all the different individual screens for feedback and presentation and that sort of thing. If you'd like to try this out, you can actually sign up on www.myviewboard.com and yeah, myViewBoard online, ViewSonic. Thank you very much.